Imagine you are working on automating a login process and encounter a problem. The issue lies in encrypting the password on the client side using the Web Crypto API, specifically needing to use RSA OAEP. However, the tools available in Perl do not quite align with this requirement, forcing you to resort to calling the openssl binary for encryption. The solution provided here involves utilizing Crypt, PK, RSA in Perl to achieve the desired encryption method, making the process more seamless and efficient. In the solution presented, the usage of Crypt, PK, RSA along with MIME. Base64 simplifies the encryption process by defining the public key, initializing the Crypt, PK, RSA object and encrypting the password using the specified algorithm and hash. You can achieve the desired RSA OAEP encryption without relying on external binaries like openssl. This approach not only streamlines the encryption task, but also offers more flexibility and control over the process, ensuring a secure and efficient login automation procedure. In conclusion, tackling the encryption challenge in Perl is made easier with the implementation of Crypt, PK, RSA. By following the outline code snippet, you can seamlessly encrypt passwords using RSA OAEP, enhancing the security of your login automation process. So, embrace the power of Perl cryptography libraries, encrypt your passwords with confidence, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment. After all, encryption is the key to a secure digital world.